So, since in the last video we saw adding Hibernate to our project, right? Now we're gonna convert our model and the whole project into a Hibernate project. And for that, I need to add certain annotations, Hibernate annotations for the project. Okay, so if we take a look at the post, we have added certain annotations, but we need to add some more, which are related to the Hibernate. And we're gonna add the entity that to specify that this is entity. Now this belongs to the Jakarta persistence because this is Hibernate 6. So be mindful of that. And we go at table name. And if I take a look at, I also need to add the table into the database. So for that, okay, table, this will be post name equal to post, and this will be this will be the primary key of the table. And for now, I'm commenting out the user from this table. This will be a one-to-one mapping, but later on we're gonna add that. And this is at column. I'm just gonna add this goes at ID from the Jakarta persistence, then add generated value, which is having a strategy generated auto identity. This will be UUID since I'm using UUID, and this will be at column name ID. Now this will be column, and the name would be title. And I'm expecting should I keep the title to be unique or let it be. Then this will be a column description. And this will be created at dated at. And there are certain annotations for the time that I'm gonna add. The one is the temporal to specify that this is a timestamp. And the other annotation is at creation timestamp to specify that this should be added when the entry is done, and there will be an updation timestamp. So whenever an entry is updated, this will get automatically updated, and similarly for this, whenever an entry is done, this will get automatically inserted, or a value is generated for this. And that's it for as per the model is concerned. And let me take a look at, I also need to add a repository. So let me do that first. It goes package, new package repository. So it goes student goes post repository. It will be an interface. All right. And this will implement, extends JPA repository. And this will be student. Post, and this will be UUID. Cool. And now this post repository will be part of the post DAO. So we won't be needing this. I'm gonna delete this up. Get all posts. So this, let me auto wire the repository. Post repository, post repository, and this will be post repository dot get find all return, and also I need to create a table in the database. So if I just go to my DB visualizer, first let me need to check the database, whether the database is running. Okay. And just have to let me check the database. Locker PS. Okay. Okay. And if I go to my visualizer and connect to the database, okay. And I need to create a table post. So this will be post ID. It will be a UUID. Should be not null, should be primary key. The default value should be that will be generated as a random UUID, and it'll have a title, description, and what else does a post have? Title, description, ID, created at, updated at. That's it. So you don't need this. created ad, updated ad, and that's it. Cool. And this will, I'm expecting the table has to be there. Okay. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks.